Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be showing you exactly how to view and adjust compatibility settings in Microsoft Edge, the quick and easy way. Whether you're a developer, a tech enthusiast, or just someone trying to open an older website that doesn't play nice with modern browsers, this guide will help you get it done effortlessly. Let's get right into it. First, open up Microsoft Edge. You can find it by looking for the familiar bluish wave icon on your taskbar or in your start menu. Once Edge is open, move your attention to the top right corner of the window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. That's the Settings and More menu. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down list, select Settings. This will open Edge's main settings panel, where you can customize almost every aspect of your browsing experience. Now, on the left-hand sidebar, find and click on Default Browser. This section is where Edge manages compatibility features, including something very useful, Internet Explorer Mode. Here, you'll see a section titled Internet Explorer Compatibility. This is where things get interesting. Under it, look for the option that says Allow sites to be reloaded in Internet Explorer mode. This feature lets Microsoft Edge switch into an Internet Explorer-like mode, allowing older or outdated websites to load correctly. It's perfect for organizations, legacy web apps, or any site that still relies on old web technologies. You'll notice 2 options here, Allow or Don't Allow. Selecting Allow lets Edge reload websites using IE mode when needed. Great for compatibility. Selecting Don't Allow keeps everything modern and standard, which is ideal for regular web use. Once you make your choice, remember to restart Microsoft Edge for your changes to take effect. Just close the browser and reopen it. That's all it takes. And that's it. You've successfully accessed and customized your compatibility settings in Microsoft Edge. This simple tweak can save you a lot of frustration when dealing with older web pages or legacy apps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick tech guides, and drop a comment if there's another Edge feature you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy browsing.